Your life is completely controlled by a program. The program comes from past lives, moment of conception, what happened in the womb, how you are delivered, the first 6 hours, and up to the moment when the self was born, the feeling of separateness. That is the program. That only becomes your life. How much money you are going to make, what sickness you are going to get, what events will happen in your life, whom you are going to marry, how many children, how is your married life going to be. Everything is controlled by this program. Now, if we must change your life, we must change this program. And there are many ways in which we can change this program. One is to directly go into the womb or into past lives and change it, which also we can do, which we do here by taking some special processes for you. That's one way. The other is, if you practice inner integrity, automatically these problems are set right. Inner integrity can go and set right these problems, and life for you will change. So that is why we go on emphasizing that you must practice inner integrity. Inner integrity not only solves your worldly problems, it will also help you to become enlightened or to become muktas.